Here's a nicely restored stock looking Ford, just in a unique specialty in classics. 1949 Ford Custom Convertible. This would be in an era correct paint color. So it would have been considered maroon metallic back in 49. Underneath the hood, flathead V8 239, also era correct, would be the 8BA flathead, known as the 100 horser. Take a look at this chrome bright work, headlight surrounds. Just take a look at that. Wow. That is stunning. The 8 in the grille, signifying that this one does have the flathead in it, which would have been the larger engine option back in 1949. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the interior, the trunk, the undersides of this car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the Firestone wide white walls, Ford center cap and beauty rings. Go ahead and take a look down the side of this car. First of all, you notice the reflection coming off the paint. Paint shows very nicely. You can see how straight it is. All right, let's take a little peek at this interior. I want to show you this color combination. It's very sharp. Kind of have this kind of tan and wine vinyl. It matches the exterior of the car. The top is a camel color, basically made out of the same fabric as the convertible cover in the back. Now, there are a few blemishes, and I want to point those out too. As far as on the seats, it does show a little bit of wear, but overall shows very nicely. As you can see, very stock looking dash. Door fits, closes nicely. Also want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I mentioned the top. This does have a power convertible top, and again, it is in this kind of camel color. We're going to run it up here at the end of this video so you can check that out. It does have a rear glass window. Come around to the rear of this car, check out the chrome and bright work on it. I love this. This would be the handle for opening the trunk, and then behind here is the keyhole for unlocking it. If you look at the pictures of the trunk, you're going to see fender skirts in there. Let's see. Actually, I'll leave it open so you check it out. Let's check out these fender skirts while we got it here. There's a fender skirt, spare tire, and look at how nicely this is finished back here too. So fender skirts will be included in the car. It's just a lot easier for shipping purposes not to have them on. You'd hate to have for one of those to fall off and get scratched or dinged. Some people like the looks of them on, some like the looks of them off. We'll let you decide that. That's in the hands of the next owner. And still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. That phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Back in 49, Ford touted that this had a midship ride, and that was due to the fact that if you look at where the seating compartment is, it's between the two axles. And also, this car was 59% more rigid with the lifeguard body and frame structure that they had. There will also be a showroom brochure that will go along with this. There's a little mechanic's handbook, some manuals that will go along with this also, and those will be in the trunk in an envelope also. You see what I mean by the paint. That paint is laid on there very nicely, shows very well. Not a lot of miles in this car since it was restored. You can tell that by looking at it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this back seat. Just a little bit of wear in the front seat. Passenger side also want to point out for you. Door panels are just beautiful. Look at the detail chrome, bright work. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Let you hear it run. All right, key on. Start button's gonna be right here. So easily it starts. Now you would have your hood release down here, parking brake. Here's your power top. Push and pull for your power top. Wipers do work, had those working. Horn also works. Two of the things I noticed was the radio, which appears that it powers up and everything, but I've not had any reception out of that. And as you can see, the clock is not working. Otherwise, dash is just beautiful painted, similar to the car. Great contrast to it. This interior is just beautiful. Again, with the exception of a couple wear spots. All right, make sure we're in neutral, and it appears gauges are all working. Gas, I'm not sure about. It does show that it's low, but oil pressure, definitely a important one. Like it's working well. All right. Slip around to the back of this. It's what you'd expect. I mean, it sounds like a stock 49 Ford with a flatty in it. Good sounding car. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to close up that trunk, and we're going to pop the hood. Check that out, and then we'll check the top too before we wind this video up. Sounds like we'll find a sewing machine under here. This thing runs so smooth. 6-volt system still, as you can see. There's that flathead V8, the 8BA. Again, error correct for 1949. Oil bath air cleaner. There'll be your power top. Controls. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. Again, you can just tell there's not a lot of miles in this car since the restoration. Wow. And again, look how smooth that runs. Take this to any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, be proud. Open the hood, show this one off. You'll go home with some trophies. All right, then let's pause this one more time. I'm going to run that power top up, and we'll check out the shape of that and see how it looks in the car.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up to take a look at. Now again, power top functions as it should. As you can see, it is a fabric or cloth top. The wine colored trim, very rich looking combination. Just great on this car. Rear glass window. Top is free of any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. I'm sure it was replaced when the restoration of this car was done. No surprises here. Take a look at how nice it fits. Love the windshield. Looks good. For when you do need to put it up, if you'd happen to get caught in a little rain or just want the sun off your back. Otherwise, you know you're going to be driving this car with that top down. So you're looking for an older classic Ford. Here it is, 1949 Ford Custom Convertible, and it's a nice one. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call them or email.